Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today I will be making this cute Geoboard. This is a wooden board with pegs that you can string rubber bands around. You need a wooden square plaque, graph paper, push pins, a hammer, tape, rubber bands, and spray paint. Start by sanding your board. Use any color of spray paint you have on hand and cover the entire board. Place your graph paper and mark out your spacing. I place the pin every 2 squares. The smaller the spaces between the pegs, the more elaborate the shapes and letters your child can create. Follow the same pattern while hammering in the pins. Make sure to only hammer them in halfway. Once they are all in place, remove the paper and hammer them in the rest of the way. Give your kids a handful of rubber bands and watch what they will create. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.